Hey guys, Podshot here with another video. So, I have written an MCEdit filter that can actually update the MCEdit filters that are currently in MCEdit. Now, this only works if the filter follows a certain code format. It's only 2 lines for developers that want to know. And it can update the MCEdit filters through the one filter, and you can supply a changelog if the user wants to. They can view the changelog, or you can add a work in progress tag to it, and the filter will be updated if the user wants work in progress filters to be updated. So all you need to do is select update filters from your drop down list. Now first, however, I'm going to show you the filter, a filter that I'll be using this on. So it's named filter, and when I run it, nothing happens. So then if I go to update filters and I tick the view changelogs, now when you first get the filter, both of these options will be not ticked. You want to tick the view changelogs if you know the filter's changelog, or if you want to view all available changelogs. Then you click filter, wait a little bit, and then it'll tell you it updated one filter out of 122 filters. Now when I go back to the filter, I run it, I have to reload it. It says updated filter, and it says filter is now at version 2.0. So as you can see, it updated the filter. So here I am in the filter code. So the two things you actually just need to add to your filter are right here. The first one is an update URL variable, and you just want to point that to the whatever file on your web server. So you can host this on Dropbox if you want, or if you use getup.io like I do, you can point it to that. Then the version. This is the version that the filter compares it with to the JSON version. So that's all really you need to do to update your filter. And then let me go to the changelog. So here's the changelog. So this is basically just an HTML file or a web page. It says filter changelog, added options, and filter now does something. So developers can use this to supply their users with changelogs to inform them what they changed, or if you don't want to, the JSON tag is optional, so you don't need to include it, but if you do, it will direct the users to that site. So now let me go on to the JSON file. So this is the JSON file. This is hosted on my podshot.github.io/video/filters.json, so you can even check it out if you want to see if it's actually there. So here's the version I talked about earlier. This is what the filter compares to in the filter file. The download URL where the updated filter is hosted, so the filter can download it, and if you want to, you can add the version name to that file to have multiple version support. Changelog. This is the changelog that you saw earlier that the user is redirected to. Then the name is the filter. So if you're a developer that likes to add the version name into the file name, you can do that. If not, the filter will handle the naming. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to download this filter, there'll be a link in the description to my filter site, which you can find the filter on. And if you're a developer and have any questions, you can ask me on Twitter. My Twitter is @podshot_, or you can ask me in the comments, and I'll be looking at the comments. So remember, if you want to see more from me, subscribe, and if you liked my content, you can leave a like if you want to, or not. Honestly, you can. That's your life, not mine. So, bye.